thousand. He comes from Idemili South, his own local government area. The sister local government is Idemili North, and it has the highest number of registered voters because the communities are close to Onitsha. There are markets and all sorts of people, so the place is thickly populated. Now, if you want to rig an election, you target where you harvest the votes, and this place coming from Dr. Ngige's APC candidate's stronghold, any number that will be returned from that local government will be said, yes, that's his stronghold. But in his own local government, they have about 85,000 registered voters. Ngige got 9,358 votes in Idemili South, where he comes from, with 85,000 registered voters.
All right,
now, in this local government area now, look at how they damaged the election, because somebody said I didn't rig alone. How did he rig? He didn't rig. He sabotaged the election. They did not distribute the result sheets to the polling units. So it was an issue of distributing materials to the polling units. In some cases, they sent out the ballot papers, voters register for accreditation, ballot papers and the boxes. They didn't give them result sheets. I was in my community after I had voted around 2:30 or thereabout. I got a call from Ogidi. Ogidi is in Idemili North. My party member told me, these people, we don't have result sheets here. I called my contact person in that Idemili North. Immediately I said, what is the problem in Ogidi? He said, no result sheets. I didn't stop there. I said, what? What's the place? They gave me Ogidi 1. I made available list of people. That's why I'm telling you, they planned very well. This is a list of all the people that came for this election with their phone numbers. So that if you had any issue, you know somebody to call. I picked the Idemili North. This is the Idemili North. And I went to Ogidi Ward 1. I saw the name of the man. If you go to my telephone, on my call log, you'll see this call made at that time. I saw one engineer, Damian Okongu. I got his number. I called him, and he answered. I said, you are the SPO in charge of Ogidi Ward 1. Why is it that there are no result sheets at the center? He said, sir, who is speaking? I said, I'm the national chairman of ABGA. He said, sir, I was not giving result sheets. I said, go and get the supervisory SPO to give you result sheets. I called in names. I was very angry. I looked at the list again. Every local government area was assigned supporting supervisor with the number provided so that you can call the person.
Okay.
I called this number. The number was switched off. I called the resident electoral commissioner, Alhaji Mahuta, Hussaini. I said, this is the complaint we're having here. He said, yes, they have issues there.
All right.
And there was, Nigerians should understand what happened. That's the rigging he did not do alone.
Okay.
Then materials were sent to Obosi, with 65 polling units and about 50,000 registered voters. The materials never left Obosi Town Hall down to any of the polling units, even up to 4 p.m. They had made away with the result sheets, writing the results in private places, thinking that they can make the return. Unfortunately for them, the way the election was planned in terms of security and monitoring, there was no way they could do that. And I want to ask the INEC chairman to aid him in investigating this matter so that we have more people to hold accountable. Let him recall all the result sheets sent to Idemili North for this election. Okay. I can tell you that most of the result sheets will not come back blank. If elections do not take place, it will mean that the result sheets will be clean.
Okay.
And let him recall them. And I want also to make you understand, at least in your AIT, it was crude. All the people that were arrested before the election and during the election are all APC members. You scroll out, 181 people were arrested. Some people were given fake police uniforms, and they were arrested and interrogated. All the handwork of APC. So the problem.
You have facts to that?
Yes, I have facts to that. I called Ambassador Muruku. He told me we've just arrested about 6 people with fake police uniforms. Before the election, I had text message on my phone that some people were being given fake police uniforms from Imo State and to refer it to Anambra State. You can come and look at my phone if there is a need for investigation. So they plan to rig this election, and because of the security network and the alertness of ABGA and other interested men of goodwill, they could not succeed. and abandoned the election in Demle North.
Okay, Chief. Well, now talking about recalling, you were, on another channel. You were on Channels Television yesterday, and I recall him, saying that it was a beautiful